Everyone, my name is Lovely A. This is my very first YouTube video, and I really want to get into this. I love makeup. I'm actually just starting to get into makeup and everything, and sorry about the lighting. The sun keeps going in and out, so hopefully you can see me clearly. If there's anything that I'm doing wrong, or if y'all think of things that I should do, just leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And once again, thank you, and I hope you enjoy my video. This is my version of doing my eyebrows every day. Now what I'm doing is I am about to shave my eyebrows because I don't like waxing really. I do that once in a while, but to me waxing hurts just way too much. So I just easily just get my eyebrow pencil, and I actually moisturize my eyebrows with like baby oil or something to make it smooth enough for my foot so the hairs won't hurt as much coming off. So what I'm doing is basically going against the grain of my hairs, and I'm just following what I already have going on. As you continue to do this, it just gets easier for me, or easier for you. And I'm just going around taking the hairs off from the sides, above. Something that I actually love and I can actually show, because there's a lot of people who always ask me how I do my eyebrows. They want me to teach them, so this is my way of teaching you guys on how to do a quick and easy eyebrow. Hopefully you can see, guys. Can't. Dark brown, and I'm going to be using my angle brush from BH Cosmetics number 9. And I'm just gonna dip just a little bit to start off my eyebrows. You don't want to put too much because you don't want like a big old glomp of pomade all over your eyebrows. So just take your time and doing it, especially if it's your first time. It could be a little frustrating, but you'll get the hang of it. So I just start from the bottom all the way from the beginning and just follow my brows, the angle of my brows. Then I just start bringing it in a bit. See, as you can see, I have no tail. So every day I have to always draw a tail. I'm thinking about getting it tattooed, but I don't know. Because the way these tattoos be looking nowadays, or maybe I do microbladed. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, and then for the top, a little more pomade. And I don't go all the way to the beginning because you want your eyebrow to look natural. My lighting sucks. Alright. I like my tail to be dark, so I will put some more hair at the end. And what I do next is I get my eyebrow pencil. My pencil is also from BH Cosmetics. I'm sorry, this one is from BH Studio Brow, and this one is in Ebony. And this one has a brush, and it also has the pencil. So what I do, I just brush a little bit here, and then I just fill in all the spaces that the pomade didn't catch. Now everybody have their own technique on how to do eyebrows. This is mine. I'm not trying to copy anybody else. If you are comfortable with what I'm doing, or you want to take what I'm doing and add on to your style, awesome. Just let me know in the comments below how your eyebrow came out. And if there's something else you want me to add, or if you have any questions, also comment below. Alright, now once I have that darkened, I just brush the tip of it because I want my brow to look more natural. I don't like that box. I can't stand seeing box eyebrows. Like, boxed. We don't want that, okay? Okay, and then I have my concealer. Well, what I use is the Contour Cream Palette. I like to use, as you can see, I'm always using them. I use these two together to try to match my skin tone. And the brush that I'm using is the BH Cosmetic brush number 5. This is a flat brush. What I do is I start off here at the middle and work my way down to the tip. And then I come down further to the beginning of my brow. Then you just blend everything in together down to the eyelid. Now when you first do your eyebrow, it's not going to be perfect, but once you start this concealer and clean up the brow, bow. Alright. Like, total difference. I don't normally do the top of my brow, but just for the video, I'll do the top. So I don't take as much as I did with the bottom. Actually, whatever I have left, I use, and I just do the top of it. Just be careful and take your time. Now, You know, when you do eyebrows, there's a trick to finding out where your eyebrow is supposed to start and end. So you can take a pen, a pencil, a stick, or whatever you have, or even your eyebrow pencil, and check to see if you're in the right areas. Sorry, I have a little cold for my daughter, of course. So your eyebrow is supposed to start here, as you can see where it's blended out at. My eyebrow starts there. Your arch is supposed to be here, and the end of your eyebrow is here. The 3 points of the eyebrow. Okay, I've seen eyebrows here, here. I've seen eyebrows here. I've seen eyebrows here. I've seen eyebrows here. It's a no-go. So once you're done with that, just brush it out a bit. Yeah, and you can just go over what you missed. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. I live in New York City, so it's very loud out here. And just clean up the area. If you feel like your eyebrow's too long, you just take a little bit and just fix it up and just make that sharp angle again on the brow. Alright, and I will be doing the other side, and I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. My eyebrows. And if y'all have any questions, or if y'all think I should have did something else, just let me know. Or if I missed a step for you guys and you want me to do another tutorial to do actually step by step, or to show you both at the same time, just let me know in the comments below also. And this is once again my very first YouTube video, and I'm excited and I can't wait to meet all of you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until then, next time.